Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the decline of the British Empire. We'll explore how this vast global power, which once encompassed about 1/4 of the world's land, gradually dissolved. Understanding this historical shift involves looking at various internal and external pressures that reshaped the geopolitical landscape. It's a fascinating story of changing power dynamics and emerging nations. Several key factors accelerated the empire's decline. Major global conflicts, particularly 2 world wars, severely strained Britain's economy and resources. Simultaneously, a powerful wave of nationalism swept across colonized territories, leading to strong demands for self-governance. The emergence of new global powers also shifted the balance, diminishing Britain's once dominant position. Following the major global conflicts, the pace of decolonization dramatically increased. Nations like India, gaining independence in 1947, set a powerful precedent for others. Britain, weakened and facing immense pressure, often found it unsustainable to maintain control. This period saw a rapid succession of countries achieving self-rule, fundamentally altering the world's political landscape. The legacy of the British Empire is complex, marked by both positive and negative impacts. Today, many former territories are part of the Commonwealth of Nations, a voluntary association representing over 2 billion people. This organization fosters cooperation and shared values among its 56 member states. And for making your own meal prep simple, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.